this is AJ Powers with the American Dream. Today we are in Oceanside at the Museum of Art. We're going to go meet with Maria, the executive director. Let's go check it out. Hey Maria, thanks for having us.
Hey, yeah, welcome. We're really glad. Yeah, we're really glad to have you.
Awesome. You want to go check out this?
Yeah, let's check it out. Sure.
All right. So Maria, we're here in the museum, and you guys are the Oceanside Museum of Art.
Yeah.
How long have you been here?
I've been here for 3 years, but the museum's over 20 years old.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty unique history because it was founded by a group of volunteers who wanted to do something really special for this community. And at the time, I don't know if you know the history of Oceanside, but it was, quote, a cultural wasteland.
Right.
And so this group of community residents wanted something really special for their community, and they created the Oceanside Museum of Art. And yeah, out of all that effort, they really succeeded.
Yeah, I mean, the space is amazing. The exhibits are great. You mentioned to me this is kind of a unique museum for the area and for museums in general. Do you want to tell me why Oceanside Museum of Art is a little bit different?
Yeah, so we're the only museum in North County of this caliber, and so we're really this incredible cultural hub, or if you will, an artistic anchor for all of North County. And we draw people that come from LA all the way down what I like to call the cultural corridor between Los Angeles and San Diego.
Sure.
Yeah, so we've really created a very unique experience for residents in this community.
Awesome. So you guys have, is it 4 exhibits right now?
Yeah, we have 4 exhibitions. We have 4 major galleries, and they rotate out every 3 to 4 months, so we'll do between 10 and maybe 13, 15 shows a year.
Okay.
One of the things that we do that I think keeps the museum kind of fresh and unique is that we will vet artists that other museums haven't already shown. Sometimes the museum only wants to show an artist once they're established,
right,
but we like to kind of pull people out of the fray, so to speak, or if they've been underrepresented but their work is really worthy of being seen. And sometimes we kind of go a little on the edge where we show work that might seem more like popular culture, and Brian Kessinger is a great example. He's never had a museum exhibition before, but he worked for Disney for over 20 years, and he's a really accomplished artist, and we'll check that out when we go upstairs.
Let's go take a look.
Okay, sounds good.
All right. So this is pretty amazing here.
This is the example I was talking about, where we'll do something that's just really, really different.
Right.
And it's the unexpected. Like, people don't expect to see a show like this in a museum. And so we kind of play off of that sense of delight and surprise. We're excited to be showing Brian's work.
Yeah, I was going to say, how does someone of this caliber never be featured? Like, how does that happen?
I don't think a lot of museums are willing to take risks or show what's not considered sort of fine art.
Got it. So you guys like to kind of push the envelope a little bit.
We do, and also really connect to the community. I mean, this is more characteristic of sort of the Southern California vibe, if you will, and definitely authentic to Oceanside.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So one of the reasons we wanted to feature you guys is because I know you mentioned a lot of people don't even know you're here.
I know, it's really funny. I'll be in LA at an event and I'll tell people I'm from the Oceanside Museum of Art, and they're like, I love that museum.
Right.
And then I'll be around the corner and I'll meet somebody and they'll be like, I've lived here for 20 years. I didn't even know there was a museum in Oceanside.
Right.
So part of our strategy for 2019 is like get the word out.
Exposure.
Yeah, totally. We do music on Friday evenings, the first Friday of every month, and it's free. So we do these great community events. We're really about community as well as about art.
Sure.
And we really want the museum to be a gathering place and a place for people to connect. And so at one of our last First Fridays, we had 400 plus people. So people are getting to know that we're here in a big way.
Yeah, it's amazing. I can't believe that more people don't know about it.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for having us. I really appreciate it. Come on out to Oceanside Museum of Art. It's amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you.